Welcome back. It's adjacent is the word next door. Now, David, there I was earlier, embarrassing myself by confessing confusion between song lyrics and memories of nursery rhyme lyrics, but is there a name for that confusion?
There is, and in fact it's one of those words, we were speaking about this a few weeks ago, words that have been coined by journalists, and this is one such example. Back in 1954 there was a journalist called Sylvia Wright, and she referred to the term mondegreen when she was actually trying to interpret a 17th century ballad that says, "They have slain the Earl of Murray and laid him on the green." But she thought, or at least many others thought, it was Lady Mondegreen. So mondegreen, after about, 60 years, has slowly entered the dictionary and come to mean a misheard lyric.
Oh, right, that's lovely, isn't it? Lady Mondegreen or Lady Mondegreen got slayed as well.
That's in fact, Peggy in Wardrobe here, she continually sings that Kelly Clarkson song of what happened to Miss Independent, but she sings what happened to my cinnamon buns, which is quite bizarre, but if you listen to that song, you can actually hear it. My Sharona, my Saroma, taking care of business, baking carrot biscuits. We all fall for this trap.
I hope those are all confessions of yours.
Some were mine, but I disguised them pretty well, I thought.
Great word, mondegreen.
Mondegreen.
Thank you, David. Let's have a look at those scores. Christopher is on 15, Jasper on 22 points as we head into our next letters game for tonight. And Jasper, you to choose, please.
Thanks, Richard. I'll have a consonant first, thanks, Lily.
Thanks, Jasper. Let's start with an R.
And a vowel.
A.
Another consonant, thanks.
L.
And another vowel.
A.
Another consonant.
G.
Another consonant.
T.
And a vowel, thanks.
O.
And another vowel.
E.
And another consonant, thanks.
And last letter R.
Thank you, Lily. 30 seconds. Well, Jasper, how did you go that time?
Only a 5-letter one, Richard.
Christopher?
6.
What was your 5 first, please?
Great.
And your 6, Christopher?
Larger.
Well, it was.
It was larger, well done. And you have the right to be the gloater, in fact, which is a 7 also there. And arrogate is the 8, and that's A-R-R-O-G-A-T-E.
What is an arrogate?
It's got nothing
You
to do
knew
with...
I was going to ask, didn't you?
Nothing to do with scandals, as you may think. Some scandal that happened in Arrow. It's actually a legal term, and it is to falsely presume or appropriate.
Ah, interesting word. Thank you, David. 6 points in that round for Christopher. Let's move straight to our next letters game now, and Christopher, maybe you can apply some of your script writing skills to this one. What would you like?
I'll try. Lily, can I have a consonant, please?
You can, thanks, Christopher. C.
And another consonant?
D.
And a vowel?
O.
And another vowel?
A.
Consonant now, please.
G.
And another consonant?
N.
Another vowel?
O.
Another consonant?
B.
And a vowel, please.
And last letter, I.
And I'll start the clock. Christopher, how did you go with your selection?
Terrible. 5.
And what about you, Jasper?
I had a 6-letter word.
We'll go with your 5 first, please.
Conga.
And 6?
Booing.
Oh, sounds a little judgmental, but the conga line might have been fun.
Not a fan of Christopher's dancing, I take it, Jasper. Booing is a lovely word. I think cooing may have been a little bit more companionable, but well done for a 6 and the best that I could find as well.
So 6 points for Jasper. Let's move from the letters and onto some numbers now. Jasper, it's your choice, and you can have any combination that you would like. You don't necessarily have to go with Lily's preferred one.
Thank you, Richard. Actually, Lily, I will go with your preferred one. 3 large and 3 small, thanks.
Thanks, Jasper.
Do you think you're being just a little bit influential tonight, Lily?
No,
I mean,
no,
just
no.
maybe.
It's all in your head, Richard. Thank you. 3 large and 3 small. Our numbers are 6, 7, 3, and the 3 large, 100, 50, and 25, and the target to reach, 933.
Thanks, Lily. 30 seconds. Well, Jasper, it was a large target to chase. How did you go?
I got 932.
Very nicely done. Just one off, Christopher.
932.
Okay. Well, let's go with your method first, Jasper, please.
So the 3 plus the 6 equals 9,
3 plus 6 is 9.
times by 100,
By 100 gives you 900.
plus 25,
Add the 25.
plus the 7,
Add the 7.
gives you 932.
932.
So, well done, Jasper. Christopher, did you do it the same way?
Exactly the same.
Could you just verify with each other that you have used the same method? Yep. So, Lily, Christopher and Jasper just one off the target. Could you get us any closer?
I couldn't get any closer in that time period.
I'm going to say that 30 seconds can be pretty tough. All right, thank you, Lily. So 7 points each for Christopher and Jasper in that round. That means that Christopher is on 28, Jasper is on 35, and we're heading towards our next break and your next word mix, which this time is half date. And the clue, deflated school principal. See you in a moment.